In this video, we are going to see how we can unblock someone on Roblox mobile application. So if you have recently blocked someone, some of your friends, or maybe some player on a Roblox app, here's how you can easily view that block list and unblock someone on Roblox. So first of all, just open up the app, and on the bottom right hand corner, you can see this more icon. You click on that, and once you do that, you head over to the settings, and we click on privacy and content restrictions. Under here, you will see this blocked users. Click on that, and all the users will appear here. If you want to unblock someone, simply click on the unblock button next to it. You confirm the unblock, and they will no longer be added to the unblock list, and they should appear in your friends list here. But if they do not appear in the friend list, maybe they need to send you the request again, or you need to send them request to add them again as a friend, because sometimes Roblox deletes them as a friend, so they might no longer appear here as well. So that is how you can unblock someone on Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.